Hello, hello. This is Mark Ellis with Keller Williams Realty in Pasadena, California, the trusted real estate advisor since 2004. And I have with me Pete Collis with Movement Mortgage. How are you doing, Pete?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, Mark.
Great, great, great. So I want to just say real quickly, I appreciate the rehab loan that you were able to get funded for our client recently. And it was a phenomenal experience, which is why I wanted to have this video chat with you so that I can share it with the people that I know. It was a good situation that worked out well for the client, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Very easy loan to do.
Mm-hmm. And so the rehab loan is a conventional loan. It's a Fannie Mae product.
Correct.
And the minimum down is
5% is the minimum down. Yep.
Okay. It went through smooth. My understanding is that I think did we close that in about 35 days?
Yes.
Okay. And then from there, we have the loan amount and then we have the rehab cost. And so the buyer has to have a licensed contractor's estimate for the rehab work, right?
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
That's usually the first step. You want to
Okay.
know, you want to have a contractor in mind who you want to use.
Gotcha.
And then find out actually, that they're available as well.
Exactly. And what is that itemized list? Is it an itemized contractor's bid?
It is, but it's not too in-depth. They just want to know basic information. So it's not too lengthy.
Gotcha. Okay. And so we funded and there's funds for the rehab loan. And what happens with that rehab money, that budget? Is there a draw or?
Yes, there's an initial draw of up to 50% of whatever the materials cost are. So when we get the bid from the contractor, it'll be itemized to what the labor part of it is and how much the materials are. So we will allow on the initial draw, which can be the day after closing, 50% of whatever that materials cost is.
Gotcha. Okay, that sounds good. Well, I appreciate it. It was a phenomenal experience. The client has a chance now to upgrade the house, make it what they want it to be, that's what is currently happening right now.
Yeah. That's the great thing about this product is that there's really no limit on what you can use the money for. It just has to be the contractor's bid just has to be reviewed by us and approved, and then from there, you can use it for landscaping. Basically anything to do with improving the home.
Got it. Sounds good. Well, Pete, I'm looking forward to sharing this video with other people, and I hope we're going to do some more deals real soon to help some clients. How does that sound?
That sounds awesome. I'm all in.
All right. Well, I appreciate it, Pete, and we'll talk soon.
All right. Appreciate your time, Mark.
You too.